Hey, what's up, folks? Mike here from Netter Gold, and for this episode of Michael Talks About Stuff on camera, and you watch it, like it, and subscribe to the channel, we're going to talk real quick about how to use raw African black soap to wash your hair, just the do's and the don'ts when it comes to the soap. So if that interests you, like this video, watch this little intro, and let's make it happen. All right, folks, what's up? We're here now. We're in the shower, and first and foremost, let me apologize for the fogginess of this. I don't know why it was so foggy. Maybe I was finally bathing in Hell's water, but I digress. So you check it out here. You see I'm using a full 1 pounder block of black soap, which is available on our website. Actually, probably not right now. Probably just sold out, so I'm not sure. But I'm using a full block on my hair. Now, I know in previous videos I told you not to use the soap directly on your skin. That is correct, but this is my hair, a little bit different, a little cushiony. I have very coarse hair, 4C, B, C, D, whatever it is, the tough stuff. So I got some wool-like kind of hair, so I'm not too concerned about any type of sediment, rocks, or anything make its way to my skin. This is all just making sure that the soap gets, put on my face, so it gets all nice and fuzzy. So I try to look as much like Santa Claus as possible when I'm doing this thing, and also massaging it in deeply to make sure the Santa look goes through thoroughly. One of the things to make sure when you're using the black soap for a shampoo, for your hair, or for your beard is to make sure you're massaging it through thoroughly, because what you're doing is trying to remove and strip away all the oils, dirt, and grime from your hair with the black soap. We talked about this before. Black soap really strips the living hell out of all the oils, leaving your hair extremely dry and brittle. So what you got to make sure you do after that is, you got to moisturize. But we're talking now about the washing portion. When it comes to washing, again, as you see here, it is all about making sure you're thorough. Just make sure you get it in there. It's not too much to it when it comes to the shampooing part. The biggest thing is how you take care of it once you get out the shower. So let's go over to that part right now. And let's do that. So we did the shampoo in the shower, and then I'm just going to lock in the moisture. Okay, the after shower audio is some trash. Every once in a while, the water gets into the mic on the GoPro, and I just don't like that audio. So we're going to switch it up here. So as you see here, fresh out the shower, hair is moist. Boom, and there we are. We talked about the hair porosity test. We did that. So I'm doing the exact same method here. I use warm water in my hair to get rid of the soap. Then I'm using the AABA butter and some Nebel 9 hair oil right there, the 24 karat. Oh my gosh, this is terrible audio, and I'm sorry, but the 24 karat gold, hair and body oil, I'm using that one right there, getting down to the roots, the nitty gritty, making sure you all are seeing that happen right now. Massaging it in nice and deep, full giggity. Woo! Getting it in there, making sure it's in there, because like I said before, when you're using the black soap, it really strips away all the oils, all the dirt and grime. So in order to make sure the next day, throughout the night, your hair is getting the love it needs, you need to make sure you're using something to moisturize properly. Now, oils are heavier than butter. Butter is a little bit lighter than the oils, so it depends on how you want to do it, but I like to double it up with the oil and butter for maximum moisturization properties. That's how I do it every time. Same thing with the beard. I do them both. Now, the beard, of course, is going to end up a little bit drier just because of gravity. Gravity does an amazing job removing those excess oils and butters from my beard, but that's why I like to cake it on, especially at nighttime. So that's my plan. That's my method. That's how it works. And I'm sure it's just the best way to do it. But let me know if you do it a little bit differently. No. Okay, so it's the next morning after doing the shampoo and whatnot to my hair. It's still moist. It's still extremely soft. And I'm feeling good. Look, what do you think, buddy? Feeling good. Feels great. Beard, a little drier, but that's to be expected. But the hair part, oof, definitely. Nice and moisturized. Feeling good, feeling great, looking good. I don't know if y'all can see the shine. Let me see. Y'all see the shine, the glisten, the baby glisten. No? All right. But yeah, so work like a dream. I'll see you. Okay, and that is it. That is essentially how you take care of your hair when you're using a black soap to wash it. See, the key point is, I'm sure you took this away, but I'm gonna say it again without a shadow of a doubt, that you need to make sure, okay? Make sure once you're done washing it, you get out the shower, you rehydrate it with something, all right? An oil, a butter, something, because if you use nothing, you're gonna be sitting there looking stupid. Hair dry, hair brittle, and we talked about hair porosity earlier. And if you just aren't doing anything appropriately, you're going to look like a fool. So make sure when you're done, you use the LOCCO method. You know, liquid, oil, cream. Use that method. I had the LOCCO method. Okay, liquid, oil, cream, carrots. I don't know. I'm gonna link the LOCCO method below because I can't remember how I explained it, but it was cool. No, liquid, oil, cream, comb, ostrich. Yeah, that's what it was. So watch that. I'm gonna link it below, and make sure you just learn that locking in method for your hair, because your hair needs to be moisturized, okay? And black soap does a great job of stripping away all of that moisture and the oil you need. So we're gonna bring it back. I'm gonna put it back in there to make sure you're good to go. All right, any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comments below and let me know what you thought of this video. Give me a thumbs up, you know, with like hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You know, these things really help. Like, I get money for this, so I've gotten paid a total of 52 cents so far, so I feel fantastic. Well, I haven't actually had to check yet, but anyway, I digress. See ya. So essentially, that's it. I want to make sure you understand completely, 100%, without a shadow of a doubt, that when you're using a black soap to wash your hair, you gotta make sure you rehydrate with something, because black soap does an amazing job of removing all the oils and the dirts from your hair, which ultimately can leave your hair dry. And we talked about hair porosity. Ooh, that was stupid. Hair porosity earlier in a video that I'm sure you watched. So if not, you just watch it. It's linked below. But watch that video, learn a little something about how to take care of your hair, your porosity of your hair. Oh my gosh, what am I saying? Okay. Dang it. I don't even know where to cut back into this thing. I'll just redo it. Hey, what's up? No, crap, not that far back.